Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video. This is Kyra and today I'm excited to kick off our Thanks a Million event, a week of gratitude, goodies, and giveaways to celebrate reaching 1 million sales in the My Porch Prints Etsy shop. Last week's video already kind of covered a lot of what this week will be about, so today's video is kind of just going to go a little bit more into detail, so I will have that video linked in case you want to go check it out and kind of understand a little bit more about the event. Otherwise, let's go ahead and kind of jump right in here. So right now on screen, you should be seeing our schedule for the week. We did mail this schedule to everyone who is in our newsletter mailing group, but we're also going to post the schedule in our Facebook group. So if you're not already a member or part of the mailing group, now would be a really good time to join both of those things. You can sign up for the newsletter in our website, so I will have that linked down below, as well as a link to our Facebook group where we share, our My Porch Prints projects, sales that are happening, freebies are available there, so we'd love for you to come join our community and come hang out and have fun with us over on our Facebook page. So again, those links will be down in the description. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this schedule. We're kicking off the week today with a freebie journal kit made just for you. This is our Keepsakes journal kit, and you'll find the link for this freebie journal kit, like the entire kit, will be down in the video description box below. We're also going to have some coordinating kits in our Etsy shop, and we'll link those for you too, in case you want to kind of expand your kit collection and, make a really big, beautiful journal. Also, just a reminder that we will be having a daily 50% off sale in our Etsy shop every day, starting today with select mini books and fussy cuts. So be sure to take a look in our shop and find your favorites, since today is the only day those items will be on sale. And then every day of the week we will have a different sale on different items, so make sure to keep coming back. And you can feel good about shopping too, because a portion of this week's sales will be going to benefit God's Hands for Kids, a local charity that supports foster and adoptive kids and families, giving them things like beds, clothes, and other supplies. So thanks for helping support this great charity this week. And outside of all the sales and freebies we're giving away, all of those freebies are actually going to be available through video projects that I'm creating every day this week. So as the week goes along, I'm going to be creating a Keepsakes junk journal. And I'll be using all of the freebies available throughout the week to make projects to go in that journal. So make sure that you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those videos, tutorials, freebies. It's going to be a really fun event. And we are going to be randomly choosing one name from the comments under the YouTube video each day, every single day this week, to win our Keepsakes add-on kit. That add-on kit will be available in the shop, so if you don't get chosen as a winner, you can still get a hold of it, but that is going to be a prize that we are giving away every day to one winner under each of the videos. So this kit, the add-on kit, matches the freebie journal kit, the Keepsakes journal kit that we're giving away, so it will be a part of that collection. So if you comment and you win, we are going to be announcing those winners at the end of the week on Sunday. And we're also going to be choosing one very lucky winner who will also be randomly selected to win not only the add-on kit, but also an actual junk journal, the Keepsakes junk journal that I am making. So you'll kind of get to watch throughout the week as I build this journal and decorate it, and then on Sunday I will announce who wins it. And I will have all of the info for the winners in Sunday's video. So again, make sure to like and subscribe and come back on Sunday to watch that video to see if you've won and to figure out, the next steps to take to claim your prize. For today's video, besides this one, I'm also going to be posting a What's in My Kit video for the Keepsakes journal kit, so you can kind of take a look at it and see what's inside and kind of get excited about the prize. There will also be a link to the kit in that video as well, so you can claim the kit in either video, it's fine. Just go ahead and download it and print it out and get ready to craft with me as I start crafting with it tomorrow. You're going to need that kit. So otherwise, thanks everyone for being a part of our Thanks a Million event. We are so grateful for all of you and so thankful that you have supported our small family shop for over the past 10 years. It really means the world to us and we're excited to give back. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on this week's videos, sales, and freebies, and I will see you in tomorrow's tutorial. Bye!